afternoon.
From Antigua, we have just picked up a couple of smoothies and we are going to be doing a classic Nick and Rachel thing, which is to go on a free walking tour.
Here we go!
Pedro de Alvarado, on behalf of the Spanish Empire, colonized Guatemala and founded their first capital in 1524. Antigua became the third capital of Guatemala in 1543 after the Spanish colonizers were forced to relocate their capital city for the second time due to indigenous uprisings and natural disasters.
Over the course of the 200 years that the city served as the Captaincy General of Guatemala, it repeatedly suffered destructive earthquakes. The city required frequent restoration, so after a large earthquake in 1773 once again left the city in a state of disrepair, the Spanish king decided to move the capital to its current location in Guatemala City in 1776.
The city of Antigua was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979.
Just got back from our walking tour and it was really nice. We got to learn about the history of the city and also about some Mayan culture and just kind of get our bearings around the city.
On top of that, we got a couple of additional extras. So we got taken to a chocolate maker, and so we got reintroduced to the whole process of making chocolate, so that was kind of cool. But another collector's item which I haven't experienced anywhere else is the jade factory / museum / shop, where we got the full introduction as to how jade was formed, how it's then mined, and then how it's crafted. So that was really cool because I had absolutely no idea about any of it up until that point. So yeah, this definitely offers a few unique things beyond just learning about the town, so it was awesome.
We're sorry that this is a bit of a shorter video for us, but I feel like we've kind of got a good feel for Antigua, and it's really a nice colonial town, but we're not spending much more time here other than today, and I think we got to see quite a bit of it.
But the main reason that we are here is something that we will definitely be bringing you along for, and it is going to be epic. So please do tune in and follow us along for that. But until next time, take care.
And keep smiling.